It's no news that free AI image generators give us pictures like this that we can only use on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Then when we want to use it on YouTube here, we either look for a way to expand it, maneuver our editing, or just post it like that, which is not the right aspect ratio for YouTube. But in today's video, I am going to show you how to generate AI videos that you can use for your YouTube. I mean, with the right aspect ratio, pictures like this and many others using just one AI tool. It is 100% free as of the time I am filming this video. Unlike other video generators that you are giving credits every day, this one does not give you. You can generate as many as possible without waiting for credit or doing anything. So you don't always have to depend on Bing AI or Meta AI, where you have to look for a way to maneuver your YouTube editing. And you also don't have to depend on Leonardo, Midjourney, where you just have few points to use, and these pictures are not really how you want it to be. So as a faceless YouTuber, if this is what you want to learn today, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share to anyone who needs this. Now that you've done that, let's go. Once you click on the link I am going to give you, you will come to this particular interface of this website, and all you have to do is to sign up using your Google account. And once that is done, this is the interface you are going to see. And to get started, just click on create and you will get here. But before we move forward, I just want to tell you a few things here. This place is the description box where you describe what you want to generate, and then this square here, you click on it to choose the aspect ratio, the image aspect ratio. And for the sake of this tutorial, we are using 16:9, which is YouTube aspect ratio. Then the next one is how many image you want to generate per time. 3, 4 is paid, but 1 and 2 is free, so I'm clicking 2. So it's time for us to generate. So to write prompt, you have to be specific. I mean, you have to have a picture of what you want to generate. The image should be in your head. It's all about imagination. You can tell ChatGPT to generate prompts for you, but it's very important to learn how to prompt, because ChatGPT might not give you exactly what you want. Although if it gives you, you can edit. But if you don't have the knowledge I'm about to show you, you will not be able to edit whatever ChatGPT gives to you. So let's start. First, you make sure you write this in particular. Generate a realistic. It should be there. Realistic should be there, so that it will not give you something that is not giving, something that will not attract and engage people. So once it's there, then you put anything. You can describe it as generate a realistic image of an expensive, let's go there, Nigerian. Make sure you put the country. If you want to generate black, put it. If you want to generate white, put it, because if you don't, AI will automatically give you anything in its mind, on its mind. So Nigerian young couple, let's go there. What are they wearing? Now that you've described who they are, what are they wearing? Let's say wearing white beach wear. Yeah, so I'm imagining couples that are on honeymoon. Yeah, beach wear. So okay, and white, okay, let's use slippers or flip-flops. Then what are they doing? Playing happily on the beach. What is in the environment? Filled with different people. Yeah, you can put it that way. Having fun. Yeah, having fun. So this is it. It's just more like 3 segments. Who the person is. Who the person is consists of their age. If you want to put age, that is why I said young couple. Consists of the country they came from. Then what are they wearing? Then what are they doing? So in what they are doing, you now talk about the environment. So this is it. We move. So here it is. So to download, you can just hold it and you can see the download button, click on it and it will start downloading. Or you just click on the image to preview it properly, then you hold on it and download. And to go back, tap on your screen. Because you are using phone, it will come here. You can also tap on your screen and it's here. So let's move to the second one. What are we going to work on? I want to copy this particular one. I want to work on couple again, but this time around I want them to eat in a restaurant. Okay, generate a realistic image of an expensive Nigerian, I just want to use this concept, 25 years old lady eating in a beautiful, colorful and expensive restaurant with her Nigerian, I just have to put this, it's not must, but because I don't want to mistake, husband. Okay, but first, lady wearing an elegant black gown and white heel shoes. Yeah, okay, eating. So that is it for there. Then Nigerian husband will take all these parts off. Okay, eating, let's expand it, eating and discussing. Yeah, okay, then you send to generate. So like we do before, to preview, just click on it and it's here already. You download, that is it. You go back, you click on the second one. Easy already too. You download. I love this particular one. Then you download. Now you can go back again and write another prompt. Who are we going to use this time around? Let's go to students. Yes, a realistic photo of a, let's do three beautiful and expensive Nigerian 16 years old students wearing a white and pink uniform. Let's put school uniform. Before they give us school uniform, you just have to be specific. Black shoes and white socks, discussing happily in the school, in the expensive, I want the environment to be good, expensive and beautiful school garden. I'm adding all this because of what is in my head, depending on the picture you really want. So you send. So let's preview what we did. This is the first one. Okay, let's just download, then we'll go to gallery. Okay, this is the second one. You download too. Generate a realistic photo of a beautiful Nigerian lady serving her husband and 2 children rice and chicken on the dining table. Let's go. Okay, let's click on what we generated. You can see beautiful. You download again, go back to the second one and beautiful again, download. So you can see it's just one
way of prompting, but putting what is in my mind. Let's do something different. Dreaming how she is hugging her dad on her graduation day. Let's see how it goes with the dreaming part. It's not showing what she's dreaming, but I'm going to show you where I generated something like that using another AI generation platform, and it gave me exactly what the person was dreaming. I will show you the picture soon. If you want me to teach you that, tell me in the comment section. And apart from this, do you know that you can use this particular platform to generate consistent character? I mean, even if the lady is wearing another thing, doing another thing, it's going to be same structure, same face, everything. I will teach you that in my next video. That is why you have to subscribe at this point and then turn on your notification. Meanwhile, this is the particular image I generated. I used this for my African folk tale, and you can see I did this. I told the AI to generate a photo where this particular man is sleeping and dreamt about holding a book, reading book, studying it in the forest. It showed me this and then this. Can you see? If you want me, don't forget to tell me. AI is going wild.
To get the link to this amazing AI picture generator, tell me in the comment section and I will send the link directly to you. And if this video was helpful to you, kindly tell me in the comment section. Also tell me if you are going to be trying this amazing website. Thank you for watching today. See you in my next video. Bye.